Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader 5 and not MetaTrader 4. You can use this on Deriv platform. As a matter of fact, I am using this particular strategy on Deriv platform, but it can be used on any MT5 platform. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so and do give me a thumb up. Now let's move on. Let me show you how to use this particular strategy. Now I just placed a trade, as you can see right now, and I did that because of two things. And how you use this particular strategy, 2 or 3 out of all the indicators I combine together must be in agreement before you place a trade. Now let me show you one of the indicator, and this indicator, this must be present. This arrow must be present, or we have this blue for a buy or this green for a buy. And why I placed this trade, I have 3 out of the 4 indicators on my chart giving us a signal for a buy, and that was why I took this particular trade. Here is a buy arrow here, this is a blue line here, and this is a green arrow on RSI for a buy, and that was why I placed this particular trade. Your stop loss can be below this line, or if you want to be generous with your stop loss, you can put it here below. But this is how to trade, and as soon as your trade is running in profit, make sure you adjust your stop loss accordingly so that you will secure your profit, part of your profit, while you allow it to ride. You can decide how many pips you want to go for, and all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in my video. The link is in my video description. Now let me explain in detail how I use this particular strategy. I just pick that trade immediately so that I won't miss out, because I want to focus on showing you how to use this particular strategy. This strategy can be used on any time frame you want, but if you are using it on the Deriv platform, I will advise you check either 15 minutes so that you determine the direction of the trend before you take your trade. If 15 minutes is set, then you only take set trade on the lower time frame, like 1 or 5 minutes. And if you want to use 5 and 1 minute time frame, which I do use, then the 5 minute trend must be in the uptrend, and you will only scalp in 1 minute in the direction of 5 minutes. And this is how to use this particular strategy. If you check the history, it is accurate. If you check the history of this particular strategy, that I've combined few forex indicators together. I would like to disconnect right now so that we'll be able to check the history of this strategy that I've combined together. Now let me explain in detail now. The first thing you look out for is 2 or 3 out of all the indicators I have combined together must be in agreement. If not, do not take any trade. Do not take any trade. Make sure you follow the simple rule I'm going to lay down so that you have a good result using this particular strategy. So if you check this indicator, it turns to deep pink. This is for sell, and then the green is for a buy. Then this arrow also, the blue arrow is for buy and red is sell. While on the CCI stochastic, blue is for buy and red is sell. And then on RSI too, we have green is also buy and red is for sell. And I would like to tell you that this arrow do repaint if the candle did not close. So allow the candle to close before you take any trade. And this particular color, this indicator, step MA indicator, we redraw the line a candle before. For instance, if the signal was generated here, is going to draw the second candle, the previous candle too. So this will turn to green also. So if you are not on your screen when it happens, you will think that it happened 2 candles away, whereas it happened on the current candle. So you make sure you check this also and allow the candle to close before you take any trade, because if you do not allow the candle to close, it might disappear. So the only thing that does not disappear is this RSI indicator and the CCI stochastic indicator, and make sure you allow these 2 indicators to be in agreement before you take your trade. Now let's check the history, because I do not want to keep this video very long. Here it turns to green here for a buy, but this is where on this candle that it did turn, it only colored this backward. So on this point on the chart, we have here we have a good buy here from this point, and when you check the 2 indicators, they are all in agreement for a buy. This is on 15-minute time frame, and if you're on a down trend already or uptrend, the only thing you will look out for is to sell. So I use this particular arrow to enter more trade. For instance, at this particular point, I have the 3 indicators in agreement. The CCI stochastic indicator and the RSI indicator gave me a set signal here, and the step MA indicator, I have a good signal here. So at this particular point, I have a confirmation from this arrow to enter more sell. Your stop loss will just be a few pips above the previous high here. At this particular point also, we have another arrow here for sell. So you place more trade here and you enter more or sell, and you ride your trend. You can use above this line as your stop loss and keep on adjusting the stop loss or the trailing stop accordingly with this particular step MA indicator. So this is how to use this particular strategy. If there is anything you do not understand, let me know in the comment box. Drop your comments on my website, Trading Forex Forum. You can drop your comment there, and the download link to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. Make sure you download it. It is free, and I do include my template also, so that you use my template and have the same setting or the same screen like mine. And if you do not know how to attach indicator on MT5, do check my playlist. You will see one of the video that I made on how to load indicator on MT5. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. The only thing I need from you is your comment and your thumb up. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow forex trader, and bye for now.